Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to fix the Slack API channel not found error. This error usually happens when the app does not have access to the channel or when the channel ID or workspace context is incorrect. First, open Slack and go to the exact channel you are trying to use. Make sure you are inside the correct workspace and the correct channel. This is especially important if there are similar channel names. Next, add your app to the channel. Type /invite followed by @ and your app name. Enter the app name and press enter once you are done. This step is important because Slack returns a channel not found error if the app is not a member of the channel. After that, check your app permissions, go to api.slack.com, open your app, and navigate to OAuth and permissions. Scroll down until you see scopes, and make sure required scopes like chat write are enabled. If a scope is missing, click Add an OAuth scope and add it first. Once done, click Reinstall to Workspace and follow the prompts by clicking Allow. This updates the access token and applies the new permissions correctly. Finally, try your request again, send the message or trigger the action that was failing before. In most cases, the error is fixed once the app is in the correct channel, has proper permissions, and has been reinstalled. If it still does not work, double check that the channel exists, that you are using the correct workspace, and that the correct channel ID is being used. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial video.